Hi guys, it's Jodie from Homepeel, and today I'm just going to do a very quick video to give you some guidelines on how to use our very exciting Placenta Serum Kit. It comes with the roller. This product is absolutely amazing. Homepeel is the only skincare brand in the world that actually has this placenta extraction in skincare that you can buy over the counter. It's amazing. It's a leading edge technology of placenta extraction. When you use it, you have to shake it heaps. That's why I've got this massive big label here. Shake it heaps, because half of it is the placenta extraction and half of it is the rosehip oil, and they do not mix. It's almost like oil and water. If this was clear, it'd look like oil and water. It'd look like, salad dressing. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it every single time you want to squeeze it out. Okay, so I'm going to squeeze it like this. Okay, and this is kind of what it looks like. You see that? It's really running all up, just dropped it on the carpet. So I'm going to have a bit of difficulty doing it and explaining it. So what you want to do is you kind of just want to put it on the skin like this. Do it in the bathroom, don't do it on the carpet like I have, because now I've got placenta and rosehip oil on the carpet. And then you get your roller. It runs. It's hard to use. There you go. You put it on really thick like that. Okay. I'm just going to do one little area to show you. Really thick like that. Get your roller. Now you don't want to mash the skin. You want to actually have just medium pressure. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Do one section at a time. We'll just do this section here. You've created little micro channels there. You've created little tunnels that go into the dermis. So what you want to do is you want to get the placenta serum and you want to push it into those little micro channels. So just after you've rolled, just rub it in. Okay, so you put it on when you start, so if there's some on the top, the roller will push the amazing ingredients into the dermis where it can do all of its amazing work, and then you create the micro channels, the little tunnels with the roller, and then you roll again, you rub again and get that serum in there. You could even, if you wanted to, put a tiny bit more in those areas. Okay. That's one section done. So then you would do this section, this section, this section, this section. You'll actually do it however you want. I could actually show you the way I do it, but what I find is that everybody works out their own way of doing it. I'm just rubbing it in here so I've got a really nice, beautiful glow, because it's an incredible ingredient. Okay, so the main thing is shake really, really, really well every single time you pump. Make sure that you don't mash the skin, meaning that you just roll too much, because it'll just turn into a big mess. It's not a mess that you'll be able to see on the outside, mostly just on the inside. You just want a few little deep channels to allow that serum to really go straight into the dermis. Okay? And then the other thing is, don't use anything else that night. So I think the best strategy from my point of view is to do it on a Sunday night as your nightly routine, and then go to sleep just like this with the beautiful placenta on your skin, nothing else. Oh, a lot of you ask me quite often, where does the placentas come from, and is anybody hurt through this process? And the answer is no. These placentas are a byproduct of birth, and they were getting thrown away. So basically they're being repurposed in many ways. They're being collected and the extraction technique is applied to them, and we're getting all those amazing stem cells from the amniotic fluid, which is basically life in its making, and it's being collected, added to our beautiful rosehip oil, put into our skin, and it's creating new life in our skin. So the last tip that I want to give you using the Placenta Serum Kit is to be patient and to have commitment. So you really need to use it regularly, so do it every single week without fail, and wait, and you will get amazing results. When I first bought this product out and I had some of my top customers trial it, we were seeing results that were better than if they were spending thousands of dollars getting laser. So that's what I want to say to you today about our Placenta Serum Kit. I don't talk about it that much. I don't know why, because it's just so extraordinary. I suppose it gets overshadowed a little bit because of the green herb skin peel, but this product really is amazing. And we're very lucky to have it, and I'm so glad that I can offer it to you guys, and hope you love it as much as I do. See you later.